Hello everyone, Bernina Jeff here at High Fashion Sewing Machines in Grand Junction, Colorado. I have a new product today and it is a thread guide. I've been using a little wonder clip with a sticky on it, but this thread guide is much more advanced and it's a much more developed product. And the way it works is it keeps the thread inside the hook and pre-tensioner area of any of your 7 series machines, the 790, the 770, the 765, the 740, the 710. So any of these machines that has the 10-inch area, the 7 series. So the way it works is it looks like this, and it has a kind of a funnel shape. So you put the funnel shape toward your thread spool. So that makes it really easy to thread your thread right into it. I can't get in there because you have to remove the screw first here. And this is a tool that comes with your sewing machine. It's an L-shaped tool and it has a 20 Torx head on both sides. It's star-shaped. So we're going to put that star-shaped tool in there, remove that screw, because we're going to use it again to put this tool in. This part in. So we put it in, and it fits right in. The tool starts screwing it back in, and we hope we don't drop it in the video here. And we're screwing it in, and when it gets close to tight, I'm going to straighten it up and then give it that tight turn. What this does is it keeps the thread from jumping out of this pre-tensioner and coming across straight here, and then you have zero tension on your embroidery, zero tension. It happens during a thread cut, it happens during certain wide stitches on the machine. And Bernina's answer is to put a thread net on your thread spool every time, or use a auxiliary thread stand, which I sell those too. You can get a thread stand on here that holds 7 or 8 threads. But this works great because now all I do is, you didn't see me do that, is you thread your thread through this little cone-shaped hole here, then hook it through, and then continue threading the front that direction. Now, this will not pop out of your pre-tensioner, and you will never have an issue of in the middle of embroidering, have all this clunk and all these messes underneath. You won't have an issue in the middle of sewing with it losing top tension. So this is a nice tool. It'll be on my Shopify account, and that Shopify account is bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. If you want to talk to us, call the shop at 970-256-1293. We open at 9:30 Colorado time. Or if you want to give me an email at jpvlefty@aol.com. That's jpvlefty@aol.com. I will actually answer your emails. So please check out this new device at my Shopify, and I will have one for the 5 series and the 4 series later on. So thank you very much. Bye.